Are you tired of missing important emails because Gmail's priority inbox hides them? Learn how to switch to default inbox in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Gmail settings. Then, we'll navigate to the Inbox tab and change the inbox type to default. Finally, save your changes. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, open up your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the dropdown, click See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Now, click on the Inbox tab at the top of the settings page. You'll see the Inbox Type section right at the top of this menu. Click the drop-down menu next to it to see your options. Then, select Default from the list to turn off Priority Inbox. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Wait a moment for the settings to apply, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.